guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki Janae. For those of you that are new, it is Janae. I know the Z can get a little confusing, but it's from a singing group. If you know their music, it's something that's gonna make you move and groove. Hey DJ, keep playing that song. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your notification bell to see when I post my next video. But they are going to be posted on Wednesdays, so we already know that. For today's look, we are going to be getting into a New Year's look, since that's, you know, what we're getting ready for. 2020 is right here. It's here. But I did go to Sephora to pick up Rihanna's new eyeshadows. I mean, your girl, she's launching stuff, and I really like them. So I did get one, which is more of a neutral side, and then I went ahead and got 8 because I did want to go for kind of like a blue look today, and it has some blues in there, and then it has that purple, which I love lavender colors. I'll go ahead and do a few swatches for you guys. I already used eyeshadow, obviously, for my eyes. But I will say with the shimmer, it did take a little bit for me to kind of pick up those colors. It was not trying to pick up for me. But I went ahead and sprayed it, and it did way better. So this is that blue right here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that blue. And I'm going to pick up that purple. Here's that. Okay, so for 8, these are all of those shades. All shimmers. She's cute or whatever. I wish I had a little bit more pigmentation though. Okay, so for the neutrals, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the neutrals on the other side of my hand. Let me roll my sleeve up a little bit. So, see, this one, I like the neutrals, picks up a whole lot better for me. Okay, so those are the neutrals. And then I did go ahead and do a little snappy thing. And then here are the shimmers. I like the whole little snap thing, it's cute. You can't snap it the other way though, it won't let that. But yes, I think these palettes are super cute. I love them. I love the neutrals, even though I already have these colors. What colors do we don't have? I mean, come on. I was really inspired by Nikki makeup. She's on Instagram. Her work is really bomb. Like, don't I look like her? Okay, so we're going in with my favorite primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip. I've been using it in almost every video, so obviously I really love it. So I'm gonna rub that all in. Okay, so next we're going to go in with the Under Eye Cream by Becca, which is the color Light. Help them bags out. Okay, so I am in the shade 310. That is Fenty's Hydrating Foundation. And then I also got the concealer, which is 310 as well. But I did want to brighten up a little bit, so I did go in with the NARS concealer in Custard. Just brighten me up a little bit more under the eye area. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that all out. Make sure everything looks very seamless. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Amande, and I'm gonna use that as my contour today. Which I really love NARS concealers. They're very creamy. Don't forget to get the bridge of the nose, of course. I have to have that to help your girl out with the eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend that out. And this is actually an e.l.f. brush. e.l.f. been having some bangers with these brushes. Okay? So I'm gonna blend her out. So we're going in with Chanel powder. That is 30 neutral. I've been loving my Chanel powder lately, which is almost gone. And I'm also going to dust that all over my face. So just very lightly. ABH contour palette. I needed a bronzer right now. That's why I'm still using this palette. So let me know your favorite bronzer down below in the comment box. Okay? Thank you.
And I always like to go over with a clean brush to blend everything out if I have harsh lines. So you'll see me doing that a lot. So we're going in with the NARS palette, Want It 1. I figured out the name finally. I love that palette. Oh, we move quick. So brows, Fenty Black Brown, of course. And after Black Brown, Precisely, number 4. And I also went ahead and filled in a little bit with the brow powder. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. Just the little hairs I felt like were missing, I filled it in with that. Okay, so we're just powdering, and then we're going to prime with Urban Decay's primer potion, and I'm also going to set that all over as well, just to make sure nothing is moving. And just for any fallout, that's why I added an extra layer. So here we go. We are going to go in with the neutral palette first. And I'm just going to go ahead and dust that brown color all over the lid. We want to be a little brown right now. And then I'm going to go in with another brush, and we're just going to keep blending. I don't care if you have to blend your life away. We are just going to keep blending to make sure it is very seamless. So then I'm just adding a little bit more color, just to give it a little bit more depth. And then we're going to go in with the darker shade, and I'm just going to kind of do like this whole halo effect thing, and I'm trying to work with it because I have hooded eyes, so that's one problem, trying to get your eyeshadow to show when you have hooded eyes. You have to kind of work with your eye shape. So this little halo, I just thought it was so cute, and I never do any pops of color, so I was like, let me, pop out for the new year. So we're just gonna take another brush and just blend everything all out to make sure it's not harsh or anything like that. I told you blend all your life. Okay, so now we're going to go in with that light blue color first, and I'm going to pat that on my lid, just in the center area. Now I pat it on the lid. I'm going to use the lighter color on top just to brighten it up. And then going back in with a darker shade, we're just going to make sure I really have that halo effect. And always get your bottom line. I mean, you don't have to, but I did go in with bottom eyeshadow this time. And I'm going to do the same halo effect that I did on the top on the bottom. So for liner, I did go in with MAC's Blackout. I really like gel liners because I find it hard for me to use liquid liners. I can't. I'm not that person. But yeah, I really like the MAC one. It glides on very nice, and it's not too dark. If you want a really good dark one, the Inglot one is really good as well. So we're just going to line them out. Between liner and brows. And then I'm going to go in with LA Girls Black Liner. I feel like this is like a replacement for the Urban Decay one. They work really well. Coat them lashes. So now I'm going to go in with Lilly Lashes Barcelona. I think that's how you say it, but I couldn't find my tweezers, so I went ahead with my fingers, which I don't always do, but it worked. So they look good, and I got them on with no problem. So dusting all that excess powder off. Basically, we did a little baking, catch that fallout, which I really didn't have any, so that's a plus for those palettes, in my opinion. So coat the bottom lashes, different coats. Alright, so I'm going to go in with MAC's liner, and we're going to line those lips. Now I'm going to go in with Dose of Colors lipstick. Now we're just going back and making sure we got any areas I felt needed added. And then Fussy by Rihanna, well, Fenty Gloss Bomb. And the OMGLO, I love their spray. You guys have to check them out. If you want a dewy look, it's gonna get you there, I bet you. But it's a black owned brand. I love her. Well, oh, look, who is she? I don't know who I am sometimes, but
I hope you guys like my New Year's Eve look. I was inspired out the box. I don't try colors like these, so stay tuned, keep watching. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit